Hey guys, Tashtila everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today recipe I'm going to show you how to make spring roll, so which is perfect for summertime. So let's get started how to make this recipe. Okay guys, so first we're going to prepare the dipping sauce. The dipping sauce ingredient is very simple. So first we need garlic, chili flakes, lemon juice, fish sauce, tomato ketchup, water, honey, vinegar. Now let them boil for a few minutes. The making sauce thick, so here I'm going to use the corn flour water a little bit. It takes only 1 minute guys, so you don't need to cook long time. Okay guys, so set aside the sauce and let's move on to vegetable. So first I'm going to boil for shrimp and ladyfinger. So add the shrimp and boil for 30 seconds. In same pot I'm gonna boil the ladyfinger. Ladyfinger also boil for 30 seconds. After that we can take out and put in cold water. Now let's prepare the vegetable and fruits. Now when you put in water, so make sure to not over soak in water. If too much soak in water, so it will break easily. So it will take just few seconds guys. Now top on this we have to fill up the ingredient. So once you fill up the ingredient done, take a both of side in and just fold first both of end side. So when you roll, make sure you do softly, otherwise it will damage. Now continuously do this until not finish. Okay guys, so now it's ready to enjoy. So you can do deep fry also as well. So here I don't like to deep fry today. I just want to just eat simple like this. And I'm gonna eat this in my mukbang in my other channel. This. Okay guys, so that's it for today's recipe, and if you like my today's recipe, please share it with your friends and family, and how it is, let me know in comment. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you on next video. Bye bye. And by the way guys, don't forget to watch my mukbang video also.